Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the console where you have permission to query input devices. Once done, identify the device file or HID identifier you will inspect. This saves time and avoids guessing. Use sudo if needed so commands return full details. While you prepare, make sure the device is physically connected and recognized by the kernel. This prevents wasted steps. Now run the initial listing command to locate the device node before measuring DPI values. You now find the exact device entry with tools like lsusp, dmesc, or by reading /proc/bus/input/devices. This gives vendor and product ID. Once located, use fdist or zinput props to read resolution and axis units. These tools reveal counts per unit and report rate. If evdev reports resolution per convert to DPI by multiplying by 25. 4 to get counts per inch. Take note of any scaling or software acceleration parameters while you read the numbers. You perform the conversion and verification step. Multiply counts per by 25. 4 to get DPI, or use counts per inch directly when available. Then compare the calculated DPI and polling rate to the device specifications to confirm accuracy. If values differ, make sure to rerun queries with no additional scaling, replug the device, and check for driver overrides or acceleration settings in the console. If problems persist, update drivers or temporarily disable acceleration and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.